Hello, hello. Hello mga ka-chika Kels. What's chika for the night? Ang kinakusgan din ng chika rin is about impeachment of Sara Duterte. Kay ang impeachment na gunapasa na dito sa Senate. Pero wala pa nila panumpaan nila dawat na. And according to the mga expert yun, dapat yun ma-acknowledge under oath nga na-receive na nila ang impeachment. And yung si Jesus Escudero nga as early as June pa kuno siya matako. And people are nagkisi na yun kaya basi ma-invalid niya considering after sa election na-change na way ang composition sa Congress, whereas kung under oath na sa Senate continuous na siya even if ang mga tao nga sign dito sa Congress mawala na sila. So that's it. That's the issue of that. And Jesus Escudero continues to deny that the impeachment is nothing special. Nga wala may clamor. So wala sa niya tagan og special nga pagtagad. And it's the word, what's the word of the day for that? It's forthwith. According to Jesus Escudero, forthwith. But there's no word as immediately. So manang maragi langay-langay niya kay there's no such word as immediately, which is provided in the rule or in the Constitution. But many people are gathering as many words as possible from many encyclopedia, the meaning of forthwith. And it is there immediately. So naara, immediately day siya. So si Cheese, wala siguro siya nakabasa sa dictionary. Whatever. And for that reason, madugay-dugay pa siya or wata kay bao, na ba kay mag-rally or whatever. Na ba kay special session. Sa laing bahin sa si Sara, ni-file sa siya o ganang TRO dito sa Supreme Court. But I believe, di siguro mangilabot ang Supreme Court kay the proceedings were religiously tackled with during the impeachment na gihimo sa Congress. Naasay ni petition for mandamus, meaning kuha na yun si Jesus Escudero nga iya na yun ang buhaton kay iya man ang mandate. Another thing is what happened to the two nurses who are of Arabic ethnicity in Australia. Kaya mura na silang nag-chat-chat, ba na sila mura chat relay. And it so happened nga ang na-chat nila is an Israeli. And then when they happened to learn that the guy they were chatting with is an Israeli, ninggawas din ilang kasumasukanon sa mga Israelites. Nga niyon hambog itong usangan, doctor ko na siya. Pero ang reality is just a nurse na siya. And also there was a woman nga nurse po siya nga they were really hating Israelites or the Jewish people. And ang lalaki ganilang hambog pa siya nga daghan ako nung nagpatambal dito sa ilang hospital. Ang tanan ko nung nagpatambal dito ay nagid ko na niya and iya nang ipada dito sa hell. Ang babae sad ningon sad siya nga remember my face kay kung kuan ko nung pat yun sa kuno siya. And it sparked so many reactions, even to the extent nga pakuha nila og citizenship ang mga nurses. Ang lalaki is mga 4 years ago pa siya na citizen, and he is a refugee from Afghanistan. And it's so sad, no? How a statement which is not really good could spark so many controversies and opinions in the social media. Take for example, katong gingon ni former President Duterte nga, pati na lang kuno niya ang 15 senador para automatic na masudi lang senador, or magbumbahan na lang kuno niya, wa po niya gitiwas kung sa. So it has sparked also controversy. But the Filipino people are different. We are such forgiving people nga when we say it's a joke, the people will give you the benefit of the doubt nga basig joke ra po. No? We are forgiving people. Take for example, gani, si Marcos gani. So, they were ousted from the country. But then, gidawat rin mo sila. So, we are forgiving people. Whereas Australia karon, naghubot na yun sila dito kung unsay lang himuon. To the extent siguro nga, basig ma-justify pa nila ang ilang new immigration process nga gipass. So, ang hitabuan ni is makastrikto ang ilang immigration. And gani na sila yung mga balaod nga gipasa. Mga revisions sa ilang immigration procedures and processes and policies. So, that's it. Mga sports commentators, wala pa na reports. So, for entertainment, Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino, ilang movie is to be showed on March. Supposedly, Valentine offering to siya. And I was anticipating for the movie of Julina Magdangal and Marvin Agustin to be shown on our local cinemas kay mount lang Valentine offering. Pero wala man gisalida. Naraman Captain America man gisalida gihapon. So hopefully kato mga Kim Pao fanatics makita na sila. What else? Okay, para siguro na siya. Tomorrow I will broadcast what's new. Okay. Ganina di ay duwa sa Lakers with Luka Doncic, and according to my source here, kaya di mo kayo tanaw basketball kay badhaan ko. Kaduha na napildi ang Lakers with Luka in it. But that's it. Pero Luka is a superstar and LeBron is a superstar. What can we expect? Surely sila magsutoy-sutoy yun ilang achievement, ilang performance. Okay, bye bye for now.